Hi, I'm Miguel, also known as the Six Flags guy when I'm doing comedy. Well, the other day I went to the dentist and I was told that I grind my teeth a lot. And she recommended a mouth guard, night guard. One day, while wearing the night guard, I started to masturbate. And I noticed that I was clenching my teeth. Solution to the teeth grinding problem solved. Stop masturbating at night and you will stop grinding your teeth or anything that has tension like this. One of them is masturbating. Porno has gone up way high, and so has probably teeth grinding and the use of people getting night guards. The dentists like to recommend these expensive night guards, and you can always get some cheap ones, pretty good ones, but get the expensive ones that you find at CVS or your Walgreens or wherever. Get the ones that you don't have to boil in water to form them. That's the easiest kind. They're like $40, but it's a lot cheaper than the dental night guards. So when you're having sex, you might also be, anxious, especially if you're older, to try to come. But that is one of the causes of your teeth grinding at night. So after you have sex or masturbate, put away the night guard. You'll probably be relaxed and you'll stop having teeth grinding. This is Miguel Terrell, also known as Miggy T. On Instagram, find me at Terrell750. At Terrell750. I'm Miggy T. That's Miggyyy, capital T. And I'll be at the Nerd Bar.